Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a few cool things you can do with radial gradients and how you can add these effects with just one property and one div. So let's get started. I am kicking off here with 4 divs which currently have no styling except for a border so you can see where they are. And for the first one, this circle, very easy to do. You just do background, radial gradient, and then the first color, which is dark turquoise, and the amount of space you want that first color to take up. So I will do 75% first off, and then my second color, which will be hot pink, and the same amount again to give you that crisp line. And then we have added 2 colors with this nice circle and just one div. Super easy. And we can also add a nice crisp circle, very similar, just background, radial gradient, and then white, 65%, and the color of the outline, which is hot pink, and the same amount once again. So far that's basically the same as the first one, but to give us the circle look, we do border radius 50%. And then when we take off the black outline, you'll see we just have a nice circle. So that's an interesting way to make a circle with CSS. I'll pop that back on for now so you can see the other 2 divs. So now I'm going to make this psychedelic bullseye effect, I suppose you could call it. Background, repeating, radial gradient, and then the first color, dark turquoise again, and I'll do 20 pixels. Now add the second color, which in my case is hot pink, and 20 pixels again. And then finally, we need hot pink and 40 pixels. So what this is doing is it's saying that dark turquoise goes from 0 pixels to 20 pixels, and hot pink goes from 20 to 40, and then both of these repeat to fill up the entire space available. So I could change this so it's much smaller by having 2 pixels and then 4 pixels. Whoa! And now you see we have many, many tiny thin bands. So yeah, that's how we can add our repeating circles. Quite cool. Finally, I'll show you how we can add our circles in a position which is not the center. This is a similar thing. Background, repeating, radial gradient, and now we add the position. This is called farthest corner at 0, 0. And then we can add our color, violet, so that's going to be 75 pixels. So that's going from 0 pixels to 75 pixels. And then we'll have pale green from 75 to 150. And there we have it, our lovely radiating green and purple. So I'll now remove my 1 pixel border so we can see the divs in all their glory. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what type of video you would like to see from me next, and if this was useful, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.